Hi everyone and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you ways to unlock your OnePlus 9. So as you see, I have the phone, and the first way that you can unlock your phone is just by swiping up and then unlocking it. And I'll quickly go through all of the other ways. So you need to search for the security and privacy tab, and then you can set screen lock, and then you can select password type like numeric, alphanumeric, and pattern. And then there's two other options that you can unlock with. So then there's the device unlock and face and fingerprint unlock. And then you can select your face or either your fingerprint to unlock it by doing that. That's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.